You guys have never heard like this before, ever. But I'm going to explain exactly how YouTube can make you rich without even starting a channel. Like, I'm not even necessarily talking about start a YouTube channel that's going to make you rich. I'm not even necessarily talking about that. Although that could be a way. But that's not even what I'm talking about. Let me explain. YouTube can make you rich. And if not even rich, YouTube can help create a very, very wonderful life for yourself through this. How many people, ask yourself this, how many people where you come from have the mindset and the greatness from all the YouTubers that you watch here on this platform? Tell me, how many people where you come from have greatness within themselves that's around you, that you have around yourself? Little to none, right? Just like me. What do I really have where I'm from? Little to nothing. YouTube, for myself, before I even started a channel, completely and utterly changed my life. Helped anyways. And that's what it's all about. It's about getting the right tools into your life to help you. You could watch one video that could damn near save your life. It could give you so much insight. It could give you so much clarity that it could completely spin your life around. And all of a sudden you're on the right track. But if you were to never be on YouTube, you would have never known. Imagine not having this platform. This world would be awful. Thank God we have YouTube. Thank God we have each other. Thank God. I'm telling you, bro, never, and I mean never, take YouTube or the content creators that you watch, or even myself, for granted. Never. YouTube has been nothing but a blessing for me. And it's funny, when I was younger, back in, let's say, I don't even know, 2008, 2009, 2010, 11, 12, 13, whatever. I wasn't even really on YouTube like that. Like, YouTube was like, oh, you go on YouTube, you watch some fight clips, watch these street fights, these crazy people, these funny videos, whatever. I never viewed it like it was really anything like significant. But all of a sudden, it becomes the best platform in the world. A must-watch platform. For so many different reasons. There's so much stuff on YouTube. It completely blew up. At first, there was like some popular videos that was viral of like fight clips, sports clips, funny videos, pranks. And then it became the information day and age. And there was even some information stuff, even back then, on YouTube, for sure. But it wasn't big. It wasn't really known. But then it got to that point. Then there was the motivational videos. After all that stuff that I already mentioned. And that's kind of where I first started myself. You get into the Ed Milet's, the Gary V's, the stuff like that, and you start to learn from the best in the world. And that's why it's so great. There's so many people here, bro. There's so many different people you can take pointers from. You can take advice from. You can get seriously good help on YouTube. Seriously good help. You can meet the best people on earth on YouTube. That's why it's an amazing app, and that's why it can make you rich. If not, create a very wonderful life for yourself. Because it can help you so much, it can change your life. And let's say you were dealing with some toxic person in the past. You didn't know how to get out of it. You didn't know what to do. You didn't know what was going on with you. But then you watch a video. It changes your perception, your mindset, and it makes sense, and you make those adjustments. You get out of that toxic situation, and then after that you start to get healthier, and then after that you start to find your purpose, and after that all of a sudden you're rich. YouTube essentially changed your life. That's how YouTube can make you rich without even having a YouTube channel, because that wasn't even the point of this video. Although it could be two. That could be one way. But the real point here is YouTube will change your life. It can create a wonderful life for yourself because of all the things you can get for free here. Bro, think about this. We have the most miserable haters also on YouTube. They get all this stuff for free, and they still sit there and complain about us or to us or whatever. Like, are you actually kidding me, bro? You are privileged and you sit there yapping your gums at us. It's completely mind-blowing. Like, that's how stupid some people are. That's how stupid some people are. Those are the same people that cannot be helped. They cannot be saved. They're just so negative. They can't see the blessings right in front of their face. They don't really take it in like that. They're just in their way, and they're so ungrateful. They're all over the place. They'll go and hate here. They'll go and hate there. Talk shit about this person. Talk shit about that person. All this bullshit. Going on about all these other creators. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Get out of here. Like, what are you doing? The biggest blessings of your life is literally right in front of you. And you don't even see it. Because of how unblessed you actually are. Uncurse yourself, kid. Uncurse yourself. It's completely ridiculous. But like I said, man, YouTube is the golden app. It is the golden platform. It is life-changing. It is life-altering. Completely and utterly. It's nothing short of amazing. Like, think about it, bro. We have all this stuff today. We can meet people from all over the world, overseas, in America. I'm from Canada, in the UK, from Australia, from Brazil, from everywhere, bro. Argentina, whatever, everywhere. How would that be possible in any other way? Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. But what still remains the best? YouTube. What's the realest? YouTube. It changed my life. It changed a lot of your guys' lives. And what's crazy is how many people have not allowed YouTube to change their life, to make themselves rich, or to give themselves a very wonderful life. Some people don't even get on YouTube, bro. And they're so ignorant. All they see is what's right in front of them every single day. And depending on what you do, yeah, you might not need YouTube. But there's so many people that do and don't get on it. So many people. It will make you 10 million times more intelligent being on YouTube. You're learning. It's fast. Talk about reading books. YouTube is fast. You get information fast. Andrew Tate don't read books. And look how rich that guy is. I do read some books. Books ain't a bad thing. But look at all the people that have done so much in the world, that have had so much life experience and became very successful, that are YouTubers themselves and can give so much of their wisdom. That's very powerful, bro. People don't hold back. People give their all on YouTube. They give their best stuff. And when you can gain all that knowledge from so many different people, so many different outlooks, so many perspectives, you become a very smart cookie. And through that, you can change your life completely and utterly. And I'm not going to prolong this video. That's all I need to say, but it's the truth, man. YouTube is a life changer, especially if you're an entrepreneur. Especially. If you're just a casual, you're going to work your job and that's it, then you might not need shit other than your job. But is that really the best life? Definitely not. Being an entrepreneur is keeping an open mind and doing what makes sense and creating different things for yourself. You're not so closed-minded and, yeah, this is what I do and that's it. That's not an entrepreneur. You got to keep an open mind, and you're open for the right things, and you create different things for yourself over time and create a very great life for yourself. YouTube and entrepreneurs mix very, very well. It's the best platform on earth. Tell me any different. It can completely and utterly change your life if you let it. But if you're one of these bums out there complaining about everything when the best shit is in front of your face for free, then you ain't got a hope in hell, but you ain't got a hope in hell in that case.